going to decorate our feathers using the Dolly Sparkles glitter glue. This has been made for me by a wonderful, wonderful friend, especially for Dolly. And it's completely safe for fabric. It's really good glitter content and I love it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get all of your glitter, the absolute first thing you want to do, which I've already done, is just cut the nib off there at a 45-degree angle. All right. So that when we turn it up this way, we can get a nice flat contact just above the fabric. So the next thing you want to do is put the lid back on, give it a good squeeze and shake. Oh, she says shaking it, so that we get all the glitter glue down to the bottom. And what I would suggest is, if you have a scrap piece of paper, which I do, then just to get your flow of your nozzle going, we're going to hold the glue roughly about quarter of a centimetre above the fabric when we do it. Just give it a little squeeze to start the glue coming down to the nozzle. And here there's a lot of air in mine, which means it's not blocked, so that's good. Obviously mine's been open. See, we've just got, that's the movement you want to make. Nice, even pressure in one line, and then take the squeeze off so that you get a nice finish. So all we're going to do is we're going to get our feathers. Now you've cut all these out, don't forget half of them face that way, and then you will have flipped over the template. Oh, here's one I did earlier. Flipped over the template so that you've got a set of opposites, and we're just going to start at the tip, get that pressure on the nozzle, draw our line down, take the pressure off, and that's a really nice, neat feather. Put a slight curve in it, makes it a bit more organic looking. And then all we're going to do is we're going to put these aside to dry. So when you've done all of them, I suggest popping them on a baking tray or a tea tray, and you'll be able to go and do something else overnight. And when you come back, they'll be dry and gorgeous and ready. There is a video, sorry, not a video, there is a series of pictures of how to place each feather on the back of on the front of the angel wings or on the back. I've seen some of you do a bit of both, so that's fine. So just follow those for the placement while you're stitching them on.